Right, now, for this one, where it's just like the other ones, but we've got an extra step because we want to find sec, which means it's 1 over cos. So we've been told that sine theta is 1 on root 2. It's positive. So we know we're going to be here or here, which means, you know, cos could be positive or negative. Okay, so if sine theta equals 1 on root 2, which is opposite over hypotenuse, then to find x, we know root 2 squared equals 1 squared plus x squared. So x equals root 2 squared, take 1 squared, it's just 1. Because root 2 squared is 2, 1 squared is 1, 2 take 1 is 1, root 1 is 1. So cos theta, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is going to be 1 on root 2. Oh, it's the same because it's 45 degrees. Which means sec theta, which is 1 on cos theta, is 1 on root 2. Don't forget, when you've got a fraction on a fraction, like something on a fraction, the bottom goes down there because it's the same as 1 divided by 1 on root 2, which means it's 1 times root 2 on 1. This is 1 on 1 times root 2 on 1, which is root 2 on 1, which is just root 2, equals root 2 sec theta, or negative root 2. Okay, C. Bit harder. Now, sec is 1 on cos. We've been asked to find 1 on tan. They've told us 1 on cos angle big C is negative root 7 on root 3, which means cos angle big C is negative root 3 on root 7, which is x on r. So x equals negative 3, r equals positive root 7. Because the radius is always positive. So if you're ever trying to decide which one to give the negative to, it's always not the radius. Okay, so now let's find y. So we've got root 7 squared equals negative root 3 squared plus y squared. So we've got y squared equals root 7 squared, take negative root 3 squared. So it's 7 take 3, so y is 2 or negative 2. Which means, I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to run out of page, whatever. So tan angle big C, which is y on x, is going to be 2 on negative root 3, or negative 2 on negative root 3. And we don't want tan, we want cot. Cot C, which is 1 on tan. You turn them upside down. So we've got negative root 3 on 2, or these ones, the negatives cancelled out. And that's our answers.